Welcome to Eurobike 2024, the world's largest trade fair dedicated to bicycles. ACER is also present, showcasing their latest highlights in the cycling sector.
Hi everyone! EB is an AI-driven smart e-bike designed for the daily commute. It has won many design awards, including the Taiwan Excellence Award. Time Magazine selected EB as one of the best inventions in 2023. And this year, we have a new model in EB series. And the key part of EB is the AI technology. EB Assist controls the motor's output based on your preference, based on your behavior and the conditions of your daily commute. The second key feature of EB is the EB Ride. It uses an AI model to optimize the battery usage. The EB Secure provides you the ability to track and secure your EB. And this is a new thing. We have introduced the EB accessory this year in Eurobike, the EB Smart Glasses. It's an AR glasses, allows you to see your riding status, your navigation, while keep your eyes on the road, not look down to the smartphone. We are also showcasing predicted e-bikes, predicted e-kick scooters, and the full lineup of ACER e-mobility products.